English teacher. How are you, dears? I hope you are all well. COVID-19 spreading everywhere in our surroundings. So, you should keep social distance, always keep hygiene, wash your hands with sanitizer and soap. You should wear mask. Okay, don't go outside. Stay home and stay safe. Kids, today is our 6th English class. All are welcome. In last class, I gave some activities for you. You all did very well. I liked it. Keep it up. Children, do you get textbooks? In our school distributed textbook for you. Now everyone got textbook. Well, children, from now on, when you submit your English work, you should read a paragraph of the unit and send it a voice message on our WhatsApp group. Okay. Remember, you just read a small paragraph on your textbook. Everyone should read the textbook. Everyone should read the textbook. Okay. Children, let us recollect the story. Our unit Seed of Hope. Who was the king? Who was the king? Yes, Vidyadhara. Where is his kingdom? Where is his kingdom? Yes, Gandhara. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was very old and had no children. He decided to conduct a test for finding his successor. The king distributed seeds to the children. For finding his successor, the king distributed seeds to the children. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, got a seed from the king. Pingala sowed the seeds, but it did not sprout. Pingala was unhappy. His father suggested him go to the palace. At least the king knew his effort. At least the king knew Pingala's effort. So he went to the palace. He joined the other children outside the palace holding the empty pot in his hand. Pingala is holding an empty pot in his hand. The other children laughed at him, but Pingala ignored them. Pingala ignored them. Okay. Children, you have any idea what happened next? Let's see. Kids, did you see the picture that I posted above? What do you see in the picture? Yes, the king was standing. The children were holding plants with their hands. Did you see Pingala? In that picture, did you see Pingala? Did you see Pingala? I think Pingala is standing at the end of the line. Isn't it? Maybe. Pingala is standing at the end of the line. Children, will he go back home disappointed? Will he go back home disappointed? Pingala നിരാശനായി വീട്ടിലേക്ക് മടങ്ങുമോ? Let us see. Now I read the passage text on your textbook, page number 50. Lovely flowers. The king arrived and looked at the plants. Children gathered in the courtyard of the palace with flowery pots, red, blue, yellow. The courtyard had turned into a bouquet. The king looked at the children. Their faces were shining with hope. Ah, the king sighed. He was not at all happy. Once again, I read the passage. Lovely flowers. Lovely flowers. Lovely means മനോഹരമായ lovely flowers. The king arrived. Arrived means എത്തിച്ചേർന്നു. And looked at the plants. Children gathered means കൂട്ടം കൂടി. In the courtyard means മുറ്റം. Of the palace with flowery pots. Red, blue, yellow. So many flowers are there in different colors. Red, blue, yellow. The courtyard had turned into a bouquet. Bouquet means bouquet, പൂച്ചെണ്ട്. Bouquet, bouquet. The king looked at the children. Their faces were shining with hope. Shining means തിളങ്ങി. With hope. Hope means പ്രത്യാശ. The king sighed. Sighed. S-I-G-H-E-D. Sighed means നെടുവീർപ്പിട്ടു. He was not at all happy. The king was not at all happy. Kids, why was the king unhappy? Do you know? The king was unhappy because he did not find what he expected. Expected means പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചത്. Then, what did he expected from the children? Do you know? Yes, he expected from the children something different. Something different means വ്യത്യസ്തമായത്. വ്യത്യസ്തമായത്. What was it? You have any idea? Let's read on the next page. Page number 16. There is an image. There is a picture for you. What do you see in that picture? Yes, the king is speaking with the boy. The boy holding an empty pot. Who is that boy? Yes, Pingala. Pingala is the boy. Let us see what happened next. Now I read the passage. Empty pot. At the end of the line stood Pingala. When the king reached him, he stopped. Why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? Once again, I read the passage. Empty pot. Empty means ശൂന്യമായ. At the end of the line stood Pingala. Pingala is standing at the end of the line. When the king reached him, എത്തിച്ചേർന്നു. He stopped, നിന്നു. Then the king asked to Pingala, why did you come with an empty pot, my child? Did your seed not grow into a plant? Children, will the king be angry with Pingala? Can you guess? You should think and write. Okay. Children, today's task is following. On your textbook page number 23, the activity 1. Pingala's father was standing in front of his house. He saw the king's messengers riding towards him. My God, what happened to my son? He thought. One of the messengers said, you are wanted in the palace. Complete the conversation between the messenger and Pingala's father. Once again, you should complete the conversation between the messenger and Pingala's father. Okay, Pingala's father was standing in front of the house. He saw the king's messengers riding towards him. Then he thought, "My God, what happened to my son?" Then the messenger said, "You are wanted to the palace. You are wanted in the palace." Okay, you are wanted in the palace. You should write the conversation between the messenger and Pingala's father. Okay kids, your next task is the following new words are write on your English copybook 5 times each. The new words are arrived, gathered, courtyard, bucket, side. Once again, I read the words arrived, gathered, courtyard, bucket, side. Then your activity 3 on your textbook page number 26. On your textbook page number 26, activity 7, there is a picture. There is an image. A boy watering the plants. Fill in the blanks, selecting suitable words from the brackets below. This is your activity. Then, last activity is some events are there. The following are events taken from the story, The Seed of Truth. They are in jumbled order. Rearrange the events in the correct order. The following events are, they are in jumbled order. They are in not correct order. Okay. Then you should rearrange the events in the correct order. Okay. Everyone was eager to get the seed. He did not have children. The seed did not sprout. He was a just and wise king. The king distributed some seeds to all the children in the country. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. Pingala sowed it in a pot in his garden. Pingala too got a seed from the king. He was fond of gardening. These events are not in a correct order. They are in jumbled order. You should rearrange the events in the correct order. Okay. Okay kids, today's English class is winding up. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye until you see in the next class. Have a nice day.